Hello, today's application that I'm going to tell you about on how to improve your productivity is Habitica. Habitica is a gamified task manager app. I have used Habitica for a while now and I've seen great results. It allows you to build good habits. The concept of the app is based off reward system. For example, you could set up a habit of reading 10 pages a day. If you complete this habit, you gain points, which can allow you to level up. If you fail to complete the habit, you lose points on your health. The points you gain can allow you to make purchases in rewards. Rewards consist of anything you choose. So for example, you could say, watch 2 episodes of Ozark on Netflix. You can also set up daily habits and to-do lists where you can set the difficulty of the task, schedule due dates, and tag what kind of task it is. This app concept really brings joy to your daily life as tasks can be mundane, so this allows you to enjoy the process. You can also join groups with other users online and complete challenges. If you let the team down and don't finish your tasks, they can hold you accountable.